Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Toy. We'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words. Let's start with Toy. In our last video, we covered the letter Zod. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The latter toy we can say is a new category like this two letter toy and zoe is the same category. This symbol if it didn't have dot is toy. If we give one dot upper it's changed to zoe. Toy like the writing style is like this one. Initial style is this one. In middle part is coming like this. Final joint is this one. Final joint is this. Toy is also from the second category that is coming at the beginning, middle, and end of words. Or we can say another way that we can connect to both sides of this letter and the letters, but the style is not changing. Why? Because this letter didn't have any below part. Mostly the style of those letters is changing that have below part. Yeah. Let's come to example. To an example, like for example, to T. Tutti. Tutti means parrot, a kind of bird. Tutti, parrot. Tutti yuhkalay maraghaday. Tutti yuhkalay maraghaday. The parrot is a beautiful bird. Tutti parrot, you are quite beautiful. Maragha bird, they is. Tutti yuhkalay maraghaday. The parrot is a beautiful bird. The yushin rang tutti laram. The yushin rang tutti laram. I have a green parrot. The means I have a shin green rang color. Like in English, we didn't bring color, but you can say I have a green color parrot. But if you say like a green color, also meaning like it means from color. Then there is no need to bring color as well. The rang tutti laram. I have a green parrot. توتی کولای شي انسان ته ورته خبرې وکړي. توتی کولای شي انسان ته ورته خبرې وکړي. The parrot can talk like a human. توتی parrot کولای شي can انسان ته ورته like a human انسان ته a human like ورته like خبرې talk وکړي like do. توتی کولای شي انسان ته ورته خبرې وکړي. The parrot can talk like a human. طریقه 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 means method. زه نه پوهیږم چې د دې کار طریقه څه ده. زه نه پوهیږم چې د دې کار طریقه څه ده. I don't know the method of this work. زه نه پوهیږم don't know. پوهیږم no. نه پوهیږم don't know. چې د دې کار of this work طریقه method څه ده what. Like I don't know what is the method of this work. I don't know the method of this work. زه نه پوهیږم چې د دې کار طریقه څه ده. د غذا پخولو طریقه ډیره اسانه ده. د غذا پخولو طریقه ډیره اسانه ده. The method of cooking the food is very easy. د غذا پخولو cooking غذا food پخولو cooking د غذا پخولو cooking the food طریقه method ډیره very اسانه easy ده is. د غذا پخولو طریقه ډیره اسانه ده. The method of cooking the food is very easy. هر څوک خپله طریقه لري. هر څوک خپله طریقه لري. Everyone has their own method. Everyone has their own method. هر څوک everyone. هر څوک everyone خپله their own طریقه method لري has. هر څوک خپله طریقه لري. Everyone has their own method. طلا 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 means gold. بازار کې د طلا بیه لوړه شوې ده. بازار کې د طلا بیه لوړه شوې ده. The price of gold has increased in the market. بازار کې in the market. بازار market. بازار this کې بازار کې in the market. د طلا بیه د طلا of gold بیه price لوړه شوې has increased ده is. بازار کې د طلا بیه لوړه شوې ده. The price of gold has increased in the market. طلا یو قیمتي فلز دی. طلا یو قیمتي فلز دی. Gold is a valuable metal. طلا gold یو قیمتي valuable فلز metal دی is. طلا یو قیمتي فلز دی. Gold is a valuable metal. دا ګوتمۍ د طلا څخه جوړه شوې ده. دا ګوتمۍ د طلا څخه جوړه شوې ده. This ring is made of gold. دا this ګوتمۍ ring د طلا څخه from gold جوړه شوې ده made. دا ګوتمۍ د طلا څخه جوړه شوې ده. This ring is made of gold. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Tutti, tutti, parrot. Tutti یو ښکلی مرغه دی. Tutti یو ښکلی مرغه دی. The parrot is a beautiful bird. زه یو شین رنګ توتی لرم. زه یو شین رنګ توتی لرم. I have a green parrot. توتی کولای شي انسان ته ورته خبرې وکړي. توتی کولای شي انسان ته ورته خبرې وکړي. The parrot can talk like a human. طریقه طریقه method. زه نه پوهیږم چې د دې کار طریقه څه ده. زه نه پوهیږم چې د دې کار طریقه څه ده. I don't know the method of this work. د غذا پخولو طریقه ډیره اسانه ده. د غذا پخولو طریقه ډیره اسانه ده. The method of cooking the food is very easy. هر څوک خپله طریقه لري. هر څوک خپله طریقه لري. Everyone has their own method. طلا طلا gold. بازار کې د طلا بیه لوړه شوې ده. بازار کې د طلا بیه لوړه شوې ده. The price of gold has increased in the market. طلا یو قیمتي فلز دی. طلا یو قیمتي فلز دی. Gold is a valuable metal. دا ګوتمۍ د طلا څخه جوړه شوې ده. دا ګوتمۍ د طلا څخه جوړه شوې ده. This ring is made of gold. If you would like to learn Pashto Deri online, feel free to contact me. I'll guide hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.